What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on should you show money in your videos or your posts, or your, payment proof, stuff like that, right? So this is actually a question I get asked on a pretty regular basis, and it's normally because someone just messaged them or commented on their post or something like that, like this looks scammy, or you don't see Bill Gates posting pictures of money, or this is real unprofessional because you're taking pictures with money and stuff like that, right? All right, so I can tell you right out the gate, those type of people you don't want to do business with because you can't please them no matter what. So let's say you like just follow the whole thing that they write. You didn't post any pictures of money, you didn't post any payment proofs or anything like that, right? Let's say your Facebook is normal, you're doing inspirational quotes and stuff like that, and you make a post like, who wants to make $100 a day, right? What's the first thing they're going to ask you? Have you made any money with this company? Have you made any money with this? Show me some payment proofs. But these are going to be the same people that'll be like, oh no, don't post any pictures of money because that looks scammy. Oh, you don't see Bill Gates posting pictures of money. You don't see this person posting pictures of money. Like, they already have money. Not to mention they're not in the affiliate marketing niche, right? Why would Bill Gates post pictures of money? There is no reason for him to do that, right? When you post money, and your success and your payment proofs and stuff like that in marketing is to attract other people, right? It's literally just that simple. And, if you have a regular job and you like, I'm making $12 an hour, I'm making $15 an hour, I'm making $20 an hour, there is no reason for you to go out and recruit or, really talk about it to the world, because there's no benefit for you at all in that, in a regular job space. But someone who's marketing, they might have a course. They, might get paid for recruiting, stuff like that. So in affiliate marketing, it's completely different than a job. So people with jobs will not understand why you're posting, pictures of your money. They're not going to understand why you're posting results. They're going to see you as just boasting, and all this stuff or whatever. Now, you can actually, remove a lot of people from your like following or whatever, in a negative way. So let's say you post, oh, I just made $10,000 a day. Oh, I just made, $100,000 this month. Oh, I just made $500 a day, or however much it may be, consistently over and over and over. And then you never show anyone anything. Eventually, all your posts are just going to dwindle down. You're going to go from getting like 100 likes all the way down to probably like 5 people liking your stuff, right? Because you aren't, you're basically just showing people your plate. Oh, look at all this food I got. Look at all this food I got. Look at all this food I got. And then everyone else is like, oh, okay, man, I want to eat too. How do you do it? And then, oh no, man, I can't let you get any of this food. What are you talking about? I can't let you get any of this food. People aren't gonna want to fuck with you then, because at that point, they got a good reason to. Like, why would you want to hang around someone that's gonna eat in front of you? You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of the same thing. But if you're doing everything the right way, you're gonna be pretty much good to go. So let's say you do it the right way now. Right, so you go on your Facebook and you just simply keep posting your results. Oh, I just made $100 a day. Right. Oh, inspirational quote. Then oh, just I'm going to this place over here. Boom. Right, you traveling. Then you're like, oh, I just got this exotic dog. Oh, I remember when I used to work for $12 an hour. Now I'm making this amount. Another inspirational quote. Whatever the case, people are going to constantly see you repeatedly over and over and over and over and over. And you don't even need to follow up with people. This is literally how you can make an easy high figures or 6 figures a year just for making posts on Facebook. Like, it is extremely easy. And all you have to do is just be consistent. Post every single day. Oh, I used to go to college and I used to be a broke college student. Now I make this amount of money, right? Or whatever your story is or whatnot. I'm actually gonna make a whole video on telling your story and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, show results, show your payment proofs, stuff like that. Again, the people who are going to complain about, you showing money and stuff and your payment proofs are normally just going to be broke people, and they're just going to be upset that they don't have any money. It's literally just that simple. All right. So yeah, guys, show your results, show your money, all that stuff. If you don't want to show money, you don't want to show results, just go in a business or a company that you don't need to recruit in. Because that's really the only reason you would do something like that. Like, if I didn't have Team DeAngelo or Landshark Profits, honestly, I wouldn't do any of that. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching.